What's up YouTube? This is Adam from Mission Trading. This is our very first video and I thought what better than to do a 50K prop firm challenge for our very first video, and you can see my journey on trying to pass this challenge. I've done a few of them and I've not passed them myself. I only heard about prop firms about a year ago and I've been trading for 3 years now. And I'm just getting to the profitable point. And so what we're going to be doing here is one, following my journey on the prop firm challenge to see how I do, if I can pass, and maybe it'll help you with your trading and seeing what I'm doing, but also to keep myself accountable with my trades, because I'm having to come on here and post them on the internet, which is a little bit, unnerving. But without further ado, let's get to my trades today. It was a terrible day, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's go. All right, we're back here on the charts. I'm gonna review the trades that I took today. Most of them were red. They were pretty bad. And it's Thursday. I have a busy day at work, meetings and such. And so it's not a good day for me to be trading. And today was especially bad. I shouldn't be trading on Thursdays at all, but sometimes I do, and it's just, most of the time it does not work out. So this first trade on gold, as you can see here, there is a demand. I trade supply and demand, smart money concepts. It's transformed my trading completely. Have just given me an edge in the markets. Before I was doing everything you can think of, trend lines and moving averages and MACD and RSI and all that stuff. I don't like any of it now. I trade smart money concepts. So I was watching this demand, we had some reaction to it. And once I saw this candle, it was kind of a fake bullish candle. Then we had an upside here on this green candle. I thought that's a good time to get in if it pulls back, and it did. So I got in about here and I rode this up for, I think, 5 points. And in hindsight, I should have just kept letting it go, trail my stop, etc. I did look on the higher time frame, and I wanted it to fill this imbalance here, and it did. And I should have held that, but I didn't. I should have gone short there too. I should have do a lot of things, but regardless, I got, I think $50 out of that trade. I took one micro gold contract, way too small. I didn't have a ton of faith in this trade, and I should have gone in way bigger and maybe left some runners or something. Mistake number one of the day. Even though it was a good trade for me, I just did not go in big enough to make it count. So that was that trade. Next trade, I went in on, I'm going to go to the actual E-minis here. I went on the S&P 500 E-mini. And on this trade, I was watching, I think this zone here, this demand. I don't know what I was thinking. Actually, what I was thinking was, we had broken a few different levels here. We already tapped into this 15-minute demand. So we broke this structure here. Was looking for a pullback to this demand. Unfortunately, I broke one of my rules. I traded at market open, that's 8:30 my time. Put a limit order in here and just got smashed. Totally my own fault. I should not have been trading that, because as you can see, there's just a lot of liquidity here. And market open tends to just blow through zones. I know better than that. I broke a rule. I paid for it. After that, I was driving to work during this time. I happened to see this zone when it, price got in that zone. And I was doing some analysis while I was at a light, I think. I saw this liquidity here. When I wanted to get in, price started shooting up right here. I put an order in and it didn't pull back, so I canceled that. Wanted to get in here at this breaker block, but I was driving, wasn't really able to watch enough, wasn't able to do enough analysis, and so I didn't take that. But I thought maybe, sometimes price will retest a demand level after it's made some liquidity to the upside so it can continue, because I saw, this imbalance here, this supply level here. There's a 15-minute supply that I liked. Actually, I put an order at, hoping it would get there. It never did today. So I put a level at this demand again, just trying to get a 1-to-1 scalp, and it blew right through it. So there was another loss. That's 2 losses here already. Price, I was at work already. Price was doing a bunch of this. I thought, okay, we've got a chop there. I'll call it a break of structure. Major break of structure at that. So I thought, okay, here's a minor break of structure right there. This level, major one here. This looks like a pretty solid supply to me. I'm gonna go short. I did, and I didn't put my stop all the way up here because I thought it was a pretty strong level. Clearly, price got up here, chopped around a bit, and finally decided to go down. And if I had put my stop to here, I would have been fine. But I'm trading the E-mini, that's $50 a point. So here we've got, the 9.85, basically an 8-point stop. That's a $400 risk, which I'm trying not to do. I'm trying to stick with about $250, but that would have been a very good trade had that worked out for me. But alas, it was another loss, third loss there. Overall, I don't know, I was down $450 maybe for the day. Really bad day. Yesterday, I think I made $300. I was actually down in the red from just some bad decisions. Scalped my way back up into profit, about 0.6%. Green day, right now I'm a little bit below 50K starting point on my challenge. And, it gets frustrating. I started this challenge on NFP day, so almost a week ago. And it's just been kind of up and down, not been trading well, not holding my winners long enough, and it's been a choppy week because Powell, what's his name? I don't even know his full name. Powell, the Fed guy, he had two speeches this week, so market was pretty choppy. Monday through Wednesday was pretty bad. Then finally today, Thursday, we kind of broke out of that mess. So yeah, another red day on the old 50K challenge. I'm doing a funded challenge from My Funded Futures, a fairly new platform for them, sister company of My Funded FX, which I've done a couple of prop challenges with them. I failed them because I was trying to use bots, expert advisors. Did not work out too well. Traded gold and the market's just been terrible. All the talks of war and everything like that just has not worked out for me. So tried to do another futures challenge here, and hopefully I can pass this one. It's a one phase, 6% profit target, I think 4% max drawdown. I'll keep you posted. I'll be updating on the status of the challenge. Try to journal my trades live here as much as I can. I'm doing this because I need to be accountable more than just journaling my trades. I use Discord just to post them and write up a little bit about them, put a chart on there. Doing this video challenge, this video journal, I think is going to help just, to document everything I'm doing, how I felt, and just be able to comment a little bit more than I'm able to do on my Discord page, because I don't put a lot on there. But hopefully this will be helpful to anyone who's watching. We'll see. I've got 0 followers right now. So if you followed me, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to try to put out as much content as I can, as I have time to. Hopefully you find it valuable. If you're a struggling trader, if you're new, I've been there, and I'm not, I've not arrived. I'm still working my way through some stuff, and hopefully you can follow me on this journey and we can help each other. So in the meantime, peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later.